The #1 platform for freelancers, whether you have a skill or not, is Fiverr. You have an opportunity on Fiverr to sell your skills or services to clients anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can still work or make money from Fiverr. So if you're worried about, oh, how would I withdraw money? I don't have a PayPal account. You don't need to have a PayPal account. With Payoneer, you can withdraw money on Fiverr. So you just need to set up a Payoneer account, and I'll be showing you the website Payoneer where you can set up a Payoneer account. I've already made another video about it. You can check it out later after watching this video. So you can see here now, this is Fiverr. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your account on Fiverr and how to rank high on Fiverr, what you need to do to rank high on Fiverr, and I'll also be sharing some gigs that you can put out that doesn't need so much experience. It doesn't need your skills, like strong skills. So if you don't have skills or experience, stuff like that, you can just get started putting out these gigs and make money from these gigs. Now, this is Fiverr. First thing is to go to fiverr.com. You can see find the right freelance service right away, and you can see there are different categories: graphic design, AI services. So you can provide AI services on Fiverr: digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, audio, music, programming, tech, business data. There are a lot of services: website, logo, SEO. All these things are too much. Focus on one or two. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to rank high, so just keep watching. So if you want to get started, it's easy. Click on join, put in email, continue with email, and get started. So once you've put in your email, your password, you have to go to your email address and verify your account. After you verify your account, you set up your profile. I'm going to share how to set up your profile. All right, we are logged into Fiverr now and we want to create a gig. The first thing that I want to do is your gig title. Now, this is the first thing that clients see. So you have to make it catchy. You have to make it clear. You have to use keywords that are popular, but you also have to specify your service. Make sure that your service is in the title. You just want to use any title. Name of your service, a keyword, and the result that they are expecting from that service. For example, if you want to put out a gig for website content writing, instead of saying I will write content website for you, if you look at this now, you might say, oh, this is good, but this might not get you to the front page, or it might not get you to the third, fourth, fifth page. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and if you have questions about Fiverr, just put it in the comment section. Now, instead of writing, I'll write content website for you. What you can do is to write, I will write content. Let's look at this. I will write content that boosts traffic and conversion, and then you put comma. I made a mistake here. Let me take this: boost traffic and conversion, and then you put something like this: website copywriting. Now, what did you notice here? I will write content that boosts traffic and conversion, website copywriting. If you feel this is too long, like they're suggesting, you can say, I will write content that boosts traffic and then the keyword website copywriting, because anyone that is looking for content writer for website is looking for a copywriter, someone that can, persuade people to take a particular action with words, and that's what's called copywriting. So you can see that it even suggested, oh, just perfect. So this is very good. You've written what you want to do. I will write content that boosts traffic. This is, you write content, this is your service, this is the result, boost traffic, and then this is the keyword website copyright. Now this is very important. It's going to help you rank high on Fiverr. You see the difference, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is to select the category. Now to back this up, let me show you something. You can see here that this person here, I'll write website content as your copywriter. Keyword copywriter, what you're doing, websites, writing content for website. And you can see charges £100 and has done over 333 gigs. If you come here, this person charges £13 and has done over 658 gigs. And you can see here the keyword and also what they do is here. And you can see keyword SEO, copywriting, content writer. I can see good keywords there. And if you scroll down here, let me show you one more before I get back to showing you what you can do next. I'll be your expert SEO content writer and website content writer. So you can see the keyword coming out twice and charges like £21 and has done over 697 gigs. Now listen, let me show you this. Let's continue. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. Now, you can come to category. You have to select a category that best suits this gig you're putting out. Now, let's select a category. So You can put writing and translation, or you can put digital marketing. It works for both categories. So let's try writing and translation. And then you can see here articles, blog posts, proofreading, editing, website content, which is what we are doing. Click on website content. You can see selecting the right category is very important so that the system, the algorithm will understand where your project, where your gig fits in. And now you have to put metadata to the gig. Now, English, select English. I think English is okay. And then for the content type, you can say you can choose one or more. So you can say sales page, landing page, product page, bio about us, FAQs, contact us, generic content, homepage, privacy. So it's website. So basically almost everything. And you can select others. You can write any other thing that you want to write here, but we are not going to take this. We'll take it out. And then search tags. Now you need to add keywords, positive keywords. And let's see here, you can see Fiverr's algorithm will associate terms you enter here with your gig and will showcase your gig to potential buyers using these terms in their searches. So what you put there will determine what or the people that Fiverr is going to show your gig to. Now, why you should include strong and primary keywords within your gig title, you should assign secondary keywords as positive search tags. So these positive keywords are secondary keywords. The title, those are like the primary keywords. So you can see special characters and duplicated terms we ignored. You know, don't repeat words, repeat terms. So it doesn't matter if you use uppercase or lowercase. And Fiverr's keyword research feature for keyword inspiration. So Fiverr has a research tool or research feature that you can use. So so for example, you've already written website content, copywriting. So you can just write 5 tags, copywriter. So let me give you a tip. If you're not sure of the tags to use, do this. Go here, search for your gig, the gig you want to post about, search for it like a buyer, and look at this. Look at the top sellers, the people that are getting a lot, that has, you know, that have a lot of gigs, that have done a lot of gigs. For example, look at this, 233. Look at the keyword website copywriting, SEO website content. So you're going to take this, SEO website content is one. And we're going to scroll down, going to look at this top selling website content writer. We can add top selling, yeah, and then we'll add websites content writer, SEO content writer, and then let's look at others. Engaging SEO website content, SEO website content. I think this is the keyword, SEO website content. Let's look at this. Persuasive, this person has only 227. Persuasive website content, compelling website content. All right, we are going to use some of those keywords that we are going to use some of those keywords. Compelling website content, SEO website content, and we're going to add, what else did we see there? Website content writer, and then we can just add one more. We can leave this for just make use of the 5 tags, and let's quickly do this. All right, we are going to use the last tag, which is SEO copywriter, and then we save and continue. Oh yeah, tags. See, tag lists cannot contain tags with more than 20 characters. We are going to edit this, take it out. I'm going to also take these out. Let's see, I'm going to change this to website content. Let's see. All right, we are good to go. And what else? All right, save and continue. Okay, now the next part is scope and pricing. This part is very important. This determines whether the client will buy your service or your skill. Now, what you have to do if you don't know what to put or the pricing point to put is to go and look at what is working. Look at others that are giving that same service. You need to do research, just like you do product research, to see how much products like yours sell around the industry. So we're going to look at here. You can see here that people are selling from £100, £124, £62, £17. These are around, you can change to dollars, whatever. £50, £9, £124, and £13, and has done over 1K plus. So if you're starting out, you need to give yourself an edge. You don't want to just jump into charging £100, $100 for a gig. All right. So you need to set a pricing package. Let's look at this pricing package. We're going to open this up, and you can see that basic is £12, and you can see here standard is 24. You can see well researched towards SEO content, SEO optimized, credible resources, and premium. You can see this 49 pounds. So she charges from 12 to 50 pounds or 12 to $50. So you're going to look at it, and she has done over 1K views. So it's a good thing to model what she's doing. So your basic package, you have to name your package accordingly. Look at what is there. Look at other people. Look at how their package is being named. I'm not saying you should copy. Do not copy. Use it as a guide to see what is working, you know, to do yours. So use it as a guide to set up your own profile. Put in a package, put in delivery time, and you don't want to put a very fast delivery time. You can see here that the delivery time is 3 days. Basic is 1 day, standard 2 pages, premium 3 days, standard 2 days, basic 1 day. And you can see the words, number of words 500, 1000, 2000. So if they increase words, if they increase these words, it's going to increase the price. You can see the price is increasing and all that. So what you're going to do is to set up same thing, give a good pricing. You can start up with 10 pounds, $10, whatever the price, you know, just start up with like 10 here, and then here for the standard we can use 22, and then here 35. All right, so you need to be strategic about this. Remember, there are other people that are giving out the same service, so you need to put a price point that is competitive, a price point that's, you know, someone wouldn't mind, because you're new, you don't have reviews, you don't have this, you don't have that. So you want to put a price point that someone would easily reach out to you and give you that gig. And you can add here, put in the price point, you put in the details or the description of your gig. Like I said, look here, you can see the description here about this gig. Look at this. Look at how it's structured. You want to structure yours in a similar way, but I don't mean copy and paste. You have to look at it and structure yours in a similar way. This is obviously she's getting results. She has over 1,000 reviews, over 1,000 sales. So it's a good profile to model. So you want to add your description, add package name, delivery time. Your basic package should have good delivery time. Your standard package should also have a different delivery time, and your premium package should be the best offer, should be what the client would want to go for if they have the money or if they are willing to pay that. That should be the best. So you should think about the pricing you put there. If you're setting it up, you put your keywords, SEO keyword research. If you want to add this, it is not added, but you can add this to your standard to do SEO keywords, SEO research. I'm just using this as an example. So you just add whatever is here for you depending on the gig you're putting out. And then if you want to get licensed image, you're also going to charge them for it. You know, you can charge them for it here. And you know, if you want additional words, you can put how much for more additional words you want. You just add this, add that, and same thing. Put this up and save and continue, and then it's going to take you to the description and the frequently asked questions. Here describes the detail of this particular package. Here describes the detail of this particular package. Here describes the detail of this particular package, and it's the next one that shows the description. All right, the next one details the description of the gig. So that's where you put the description, requirements, and then you add images, and then you publish your gig. So those are the most important things that you need to do. You need to show off your best work when you're putting out images. Let's come here to this profile. You can see here, this is the description, and this is the, I'm going to compare this. This is the description of the package. This is the description of the standard package, what they are getting, description of the premium package, what they are getting, and then this is the full description. All right, like I explained, this is the full description of the gig. And if you're uploading an image, it should sell. You can see that this image is not just some stock image. You can see here it shows her, which means it's credible, and you can see SEO friendly, outstandingly written, synchronized your business. So you can see this is, she's actually selling with this image, website content writer, SEO, and you can see these images that resonate with the skill or the project that you're selling. All right, let's refresh this. So you can see images that resonate with the skill that you want to sell. So you want to add images. You can also add a video to make it more compelling. Do like a sales video so that the clients can watch the video. Just give a good sales pitch, rehearse and give a good sales pitch and put it up. All right, the next one is reviews. Now, reviews are very important. Always aim to deliver top-notch work with great customer service. Remember, happy clients means good reviews, and good reviews mean higher rankings. That means you're going to show up often if you get good reviews. And also you want to always be active on Fiverr. You just don't want to set up a profile and just disappear. No, regularly update your gigs, see what is working, update it, respond to inquiries very quickly, respond to customer messages. You can see here that the average response time is 1 hour. So you want this to show as 1 hour, all right? You don't want it to show as 24 hours, unless if clients say that, oh, your average response time is 24 hours, they're not going to send you a message. So you need to reply very fast whenever you get the message. Forget what you're doing, just go straight to reply the message so that your average response time would be very low, which is very good, which will help you rank higher, all right? Fiverr loves active and engaged sellers. They want people to always be on their platform and engage with people that want to buy. Lastly, promote your gigs outside Fiverr. Use social media. You have Facebook, you have Instagram. Use that to promote your profile, promote your skill, what you do. You can also use TikTok to promote your profile. How? You might ask how. Simple. Teach about what you do and add your Fiverr link on your profile. So if you talk about your skill, about what you put up, put a link on your profile. Soon you're going to get traffic to your profile. People are going to click and get your service. So remember, social media is powerful. Facebook, Instagram, all these are powerful. This can help increase your orders and, help you increase the ranking. You might likely show up on the second, third, fifth, fourth page. I wouldn't want to say first page because you're starting out, all right? And there are some gigs that you don't need so much experience. Like I said, there are translation gigs that you can try out. The translation gigs don't give, for example, writing and translation, website writing, you can use AI to do it. Script writing, you can use AI to do it. Resume writing, proofreading and editing, AI content, translation, you can use AI to do it, ChatGPT, and some other ones. Just watch my previous video to understand everything about it, all right? Now, if you want to sign up on Fiverr, I'm going to leave the link to Fiverr below this video, so check it out. If you've used Fiverr before, if you've had a bad experience, share it in the comment section, or whatever experience you've had, just share it in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to everybody. Ask questions, all right? This is a good community, lovely community. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, like this video, and I want you to check this video here. I made this video specifically for you to see.